Thank you for watching this Christmas scribble drawing of Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and of course the classic, famous Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Now this is part of an ongoing series. We're counting down the 12 days of Scribble-mas. I want to thank everyone who's joined me along the way. I will be giving away a full set of 4x6 prints, the 12 days of Scribble-mas, ladies and gentlemen. Leave a comment down below for chances to win. My name is Kitslam. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.